Hello, everyone, and welcome to a brand new episode of PriorityRead.io in conversation with visionaries. Tonight, forget the noise and the endless scroll. This is where governance and compliance takes center stage, and privacy gets the spotlight it deserves. This isn't just another conversation, it's a frontline briefing for the guardians of trust. For those who lock down data while the world sleeps, for the officers who turn compliance into shields, and for the advocates defending privacy every day. At PriorityRead.io, we don't just discuss security, we challenge it, we reimagine it. Because every click is a contract and every breach is a headline. So lean in. What you hear tonight might not just inform you, it might arm you. And with that, I am honored to welcome Priya Bhardwaj, a cybersecurity professional turning privacy from policy into power and compliance from checklists into culture. Priya Bhardwaj is an accomplished governance and privacy professional with over a decade of global experience across leading banks, Big Four consulting, and technology enterprises. She excels at making governance and privacy practical by bridging the gap between policy, people, process, and technology. With expertise in global regulations, ISO standards, and AI governance, she has shaped frameworks enabling organizations to thrive responsibly in a data driven world. Recognized as a LinkedIn top voice in data privacy and governance, Priya is a sought after speaker at global forums. She holds an MS in Cyber Law and Information Security, CIPP/E, ISO 27001 LA, and a Harvard certification and is passionate about helping organizations build trust, accountability, and resilience. Priya, the cyber stage is all yours.
Thank you. Thank you so much for a great introduction. I think you have already said a lot of things about me. So let me introduce only with few lines. As you know, my name is Priya Bhardwaj, and I am a governance and privacy professional. And I have a decade of experience in this field, and this field always have enlightened me with a lot of experience, a lot of learning, and there is no end of learning in this field because on a daily basis you have to learn and you have to evaluate yourself with new skills and develop yourself with a lot of things, and as emerging technologies came, regulations, AI is coming, so you have to evolve with that also. So this is something which is like great with me, and I'm learning day to day within organization and outside the organization also, like you people, because you are providing a lot of platforms and learning platforms where we can read and we can go through the things which we are not able to do that, but yeah, that is something which is which you are providing good, and this is something which is very within me, and always working on this field and with other creativity, and I also look this as a creative art, because governance and privacy and security is like a measuring art where you have to work on a daily basis. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Priya, for your kind appreciation and thoughtful words. Let's begin at the very start. Because every remarkable journey begins with that first spark. What was the defining moment, insight, or challenge that made you fall in love with governance and privacy? And what keeps that passion alive even today?
So before we start, but I forgot to thank you. Thank you for giving me this platform, for sharing the knowledge, and I'm so privileged to share this knowledge and discuss the thought around the cybersecurity world. So as you start with that, the problem and fall in love this thing. So when I look back my path into this field, it feels like destiny, I had completed my master's in cyber law and information security, and in those days, I was undecided between two worlds because I had always dreamed of becoming lawyer, but life had taken me down a different path, leading me into engineering. Somewhere in that mix, like data became the constant thread. From the very beginning of my career, I found myself working with data, measuring it against a framework, aligning it with standards, trying to bring structure and responsibility to how it was used. So that turning point for me came just a couple of years, or you can consider like after my career journey, in my professional journey. I was working on a project involving sensitive information. As you know, like GDPR hits everybody, right? And I was working on that particular project. So that hits me like small oversight almost led to the data being exposed, and for many in the room, it was just another problem to fix and another task to the checklist. But for me, it was like a light bulb went on, right? And I realized this was not just data in a system, but this were real. This the data is for real people trusting us with this part of their lives, and I must say I learned so much from my seniors at that time, and how they handled the situation with calmness. The broader, I mean, we can say like how they looked beyond the technical fix, and also thought about the broader impact, how they're handling that on a day-to-day basis with the for the client and within the organization. And their guidance made me see that governance and privacy are not just about the compliance; they are about protecting dignity, building trust, and carrying responsibility, accountability in us, right? So you have to take that forward. So that moment has stayed with me till, and whether I'm designing framework, advising leaders, or working with the colleagues, or sometimes if I have to mentor the teams. So I always remind myself of that core lesson behind every data set is a human being, right? And that is what made me fall in love with this field. And also it still excites me today, because every day you are learning a lot of new things, new challenges coming to you. So this is the small story where I fall in love. But yeah, every day is a challenge and a problem which you have to solve. So that's the small thing.
That's such a beautiful reflection, Priya. A reminder that purpose often begins with a single question and grows into a lifelong mission. A huge thanks once again to Priya for sharing your journey, your insights, and your incredible perspective on governance and privacy. Your story sets the perfect tone for what this visionary series stands for: conversations that spark clarity, conscience, and change. To everyone watching, stay tuned. This is just the beginning. The next episode dives even deeper into the ideas shaping our digital future with governance, privacy, and compliance. If you enjoyed this episode, follow Priority Read on LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and explore more at priorityread.io. Stay connected, because the future of compliance deserves its own spotlight, and we'll see you there. Thank you.